Hi, I'm Miikael and I want to congratulate you because if you are interested in this kind of topic, then it shows me that you have entrepreneurial mindset. And regardless of where you are with your journey at this moment, you are great. So keep on going. Now think of one successful person that you admire. You know, it's really easy for them to sell anything. Why? Because they have credibility as a successful person whom people ought to listen. So now I'm going to tell you what's on the table. Well, it's the opportunity for you to also have this kind of credibility as a successful person has, even without having this kind of success your own yet. This is the power of the brand, power of making a social media brand. And if you have this kind of brand, you can impact lots of people's lives and also make lots of money through internet. Look at Oprah Winfrey, for example. She has positioned as a lead figure, and thus whatever she says or suggests is highly valued by millions of people all over the world. So it's really easy for her to sell anything just by recommending. Now I'm generally giving the roadmap what is ahead, so you know the steps that you need to take to get there. The first thing is to choose your market, and actually this is the most important thing and the most common thing that people do wrongly. They want to be everything for everybody, but you also be really specific. And in the following videos I'm gonna explain you how to do it. If you have a field already or a company to work with, then it's good, then you have a field, but you need to position yourself right in that target market. And if you don't have a field already, then I'm gonna show you or give you some recommendations how to choose it. Secondly, you need to make great content, because content is the key to the hearts of your followers. I'm gonna give you tips and recommendations how to make great content that people like. And the third thing is to have a system how to monetize it, because the goal to build a brand for a lot of us is to make money online. So I'm gonna show you how to set it up, set the system up and get it working. So go to the next video to see the first step. And by the way, you can change your life. Bye.